Hello friends, in this new video we see how to apply the Lagrange's interpolation formula to find the value of a function at a particular points. Some values are given: log of 654, log of 658, log of 659, log of 661, and we have to find log of 656. So here if we consider this is a function x0 is our 654, x1 is a 658, and x2 is 659, x3 is 661, and here x equal to 656. Now we apply put these values in the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula: Pn of x equal to x minus x1 x minus x2 dash x minus xn divided by x0 minus x1 x0 minus x2 x0 minus xn f of x0 plus x minus x0 x minus x2 x minus xn divided by x1 minus x0 x1 minus x2 x1 minus xn f of xn plus x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0 xn minus x1 xn minus xn minus 1 and f of xn. So in this formula we put just values. So therefore the values of x56 equal to 656 minus x1 is 658 into 656 minus x2 659, 656 minus 661 divided by x0. What is x0? 654 minus 658, 654 minus 659, 656 54 minus 661 into f of x0. f of x0 is 2.815 plus 656 minus x0 654, 656 minus x2 659, 656 minus 661 divided by x1 minus this, x1 is 658 minus 654, 658 minus 659, 658 minus 661 into f of x1. f of x1 is 2.8182 plus x2. x2 is 659, so 656 minus 654, 656 minus 658, 656 minus 661 divided by 659 minus 654, 659 minus 658, 659 minus 661 into f of x2. f of x2 659 is 2.8189 plus the last term will be 656 minus 654 into 656 minus 658, 656 minus 659 divided by 661 minus 654, 661 minus 658, 661 minus 659 into 661, 2.8202. So we have to solve these terms. Then let us simplify this term. Now 656 equal to 656 minus 58. So minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 divided by here minus 4 minus 5 and minus 7, 2.815 into plus minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 divided by here plus 2, we get 656 minus this plus 2 divided by 4 into minus 1 into minus 3 into 2.8182 plus 656 minus 54, that is a 2. 656 minus 58, that is minus 2 into 656 minus minus 5 divided by 659 minus 654, 5 into 1 into minus 2 into 2.8189 plus 656, that is 2. 656 minus 58 minus 2, 656 minus 3, so this minus 59 divided by 661, this 7 into 650, this is 3 and 59 2, 2.802. so this much value we get from these subtractions. Now let us simplify this. After simplification we get this term as 0.6033 plus 7.0455 minus 5.6378 plus 0.8059 and addition of this is 2.8169. so log of 656 to the base 10 is 2.8169. so this is about the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Thank you friend, thank you for watching video.